Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a topic that can revolutionize how you interact with your audience and boost your business. Social media listening. Ever wondered what your customers are really saying about your brand online? What if you could track their feedback, monitor trends, and make better decisions? That's exactly what we are covering today. So stick around, and by the end of this video, you will know how to listen to your audience in ways that can skyrocket your engagement and growth. Now, what is social media listening? So, first thing first, it's a process of tracking conversations, mentions, and trends happening around your brand, industry, or specific topics across social platforms. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're solving customer needs, improving your strategies, and even preventing potential crises. Imagine being able to see what people are saying about your brand in real time, the good, the bad, and everything in between. But here's the thing, social media listening goes beyond just counting likes or comments. It's about diving deep into the conversation that matters. Okay, you must be asking, why do I need the tools? Let's break it down. Social media tools helps you monitor brand reputation, understand sentiments, understand and identify the industry trends, early discover influencers who mentions your brand, and analyze your competitors. Whether you are managing social media brand or it's using for a business or even a non-profit, these tools give you insight that what's resonating with your audiences and what's not. Without social media listening, you're basically flying blind. Number three is the top social media listening tools you should be using. Now let's get into a good stuff, the tools. There are tons of social media listening tools out there, but here are few of my favorite that can fit any budget or business size. Hootsuite. This tool isn't just for scheduling content, it also offers a social listening feature that tracks mentions, keywords, and trends across multiple platforms. Great for small business and social media managers. Next is Sprout Social. A powerful all in one tool, Sprout Social provides in depth analytics and social listening to help you track audience sentiments and gain competitive insights. Brandwatch, it's next. If you are serious about data, Brandwatch is one of the best for large enterprises. It uses AI to analyze social media mentions and provide you with comprehensive insights. The next one is BuzzSumo. This one's awesome. If you want to track how content performs and get notified whenever your brand is mentioned on social media and social media blogs, this is the right tool. The next tool is Mention. Mention is perfect for real-time social media listening. You can track your brand, competitors, and even the latest trends on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and more. Each of these tools has its strength. So, depending on what your goals are, whether it's tracking mentions, analyzing sentiments, or understanding trends, there's a tool that's right for you. The next is how to use social media listening to grow your business. Now that you know which tools to use, let's talk about how to use them effectively. Track brand mentions. Set up your tool to monitor when someone mentions your brand or product. This gives you instant feedback on what's working and what's not. Next is identifying pain points. Pay attention to the common complaints or issue people are discussing. Use that feedback to improve your product or services. Next, engage with your audiences. When people are talking about your brand, jump into the conversation, thank them for positive mentions, and address negative comments professionally. Don't ignore them. Next is monitor your competitors. Don't just listen to your own audience, keep an eye on your competitors too. What are they doing that works? What are their customers complaining about? You can use the data to your advantage. Next, spot industry trends. Trends happens fast on social media. By listening in real time, you can catch those trends early and adjust your strategy to ride the wave. So there you have it. Social media listening tools are an absolute game changer for understanding your audiences, improving your brand reputation, and staying ahead of the competition. If you want to grow your brand and make data driven decisions, social listening is must. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering social media and digital marketing. Got any question? Drop them in the comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. Until next time, happy listening and be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.